good girl.
It's a vlog.
Woo. Say hi, guys, to Emily.
Hi! Good morning, friends.
Look at her side braid. Look how beautiful that is. I'm so excited. The quality is so good.
I'm so excited. We're going to have twinning cameras, man.
Right, I think Emily's getting hers on Friday. And I don't know what I'm talking about. I already had this little strap. Anyways, I got this little strap. It was for my Polaroid originally. So, but I just put it on this because it's really cute and it gives it a pop of color on the black camera. Marley, come! Marley, come! Marley, come! Come on! Come on! Ah! Hi! You good boy! Yeah. I just got home from the gym and it's only like 1:20 1:30, but we got to leave early today because there's not a lot of coaches because Miss Kim's away and Coach Mary's away, so yeah, so we got to leave at 1 and I'm just gonna eat my lunch and do some school at home. And that is what is going on. Look how pretty the flowers are. They are. Yeah. We're gonna head on upstairs. Here is my school setup. I have my Dream Big notebook from Paper Source. I have a Sharpie highlighter, a pencil that says, I don't remember what it says. It says Twilight Insights, but it is not focusing. There we go. And I have my school set up. I'm on lesson 127 out of 160. So pretty pumped about that. I'm hoping, whoa, makes my eyes look so green. I'm hoping to be done before we go to nationals, which is sometime mid-June, but that would be the best so I can go to nationals and chill out, have fun without worrying that after I get back, I have to do more school. So yes, I'm starting with geography today. Let's find my page. Alright, found a blank page. New page. I am ready. Sorry, geography. We're making our heading. If you're mad, well, too bad. Sounds like a personal issue. I walk in, they all stare like, makes my eyes so pretty. Focus on me. Focus on me. Ooh. I don't think you guys have seen my tapestry yet. It's so pretty. I want to use it in the back of videos, but I just didn't have like a tripod, so I couldn't really like sit in front of this area. All right, I'm gonna do school now, and hopefully I'll talk to you guys when I'm done my school. Hola, update time. I have, oh Delilah, they can't see you. They can't see you. Actually, I have my camera set up on its tripod right now. I don't know why, I just wanted to test out the tripod, so I just kind of put it up there. It's a little bit shaky. I'm not sure if I did it right, but let me tilt this down so. Can you see you? Oh, look how cute Are you a pig, doggy? Are you a little pig? She came up here. She jumped in my bed, and then she farted. I was like, what? How does that work? How does that work? Oh, you puppy. You're not a puppy, actually. You old doggy. You old doggy. Actually, how old are you? You're 5. You're 5. You're 5 years old. Oh, you have such smelly breath. Such smelly breath. Okay. Hi, my little baby. My little baby. Hi, Surrender. You're like a little turtle who flipped over. You're so cute. No, I did not come up here to play. I have to do... Holy nugget. She sheds so much. All right, Delilah, come on, down. Down, down, down. Come down. Delilah, down. Come on. You need to... Oh, no, I did not sign up for kisses. I didn't sign up for this. I have not shared this on YouTube yet, but recently my pop socket came in. This thing is so cool. And basically what it is, do you guys like my case? It slides out. You can keep cards in the back. Anyways, basically it pops out like this. So it looks like this. Then you hold it like that. And it is so good for musicallys and stuff. I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Because a lot of you guys saw it in my Instagram post and you were like, ah, what is that? That's cool. So, yeah. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to get your own. And this pattern, I've heard it's called like the arabesque pattern or something. But I just found it on the website. And I was like, oh, that's pretty. And it's only $10. So, and I think they gave me a coupon code. This is not sponsored, but they like give you a coupon code at checkout or whatever. So I'll leave that in the description with the link for this. Say hi, Lucky. Oh, why you pin your ears? That's not nice. I just got back in from the barn and I am about to clean my room, but I'm gonna go on you now when I clean my room, so I'm gonna go live. And yeah, so yeah, but sleeping is nice too. I could do that. 5-second nap break over. I'm sorry if I like stare at the camera all the time and like don't say anything. But it's just so cool to look at a camera with such good quality. It's just fascinating. Yeah, so I'm going to clean my room while I go live on you now. Okay, so here's the before. Don't judge me. I have been so busy. It is so messy right now. So this is the before, and then I'm going to show you guys the after. Such a mess. Like, it stresses me out so much, but yeah, hopefully I can clean it pretty quickly. Ew, my mirror is so, like, foggy. Ah! So I'll show you guys when it's all clean. Hola, I got done with my broadcast and I almost got done cleaning my room. Let's show you guys. So it's much better than it was. See, floor is clean. So yeah, dresser is cleaned off, nightstand table is cleaned off. And I'm on my daily nighttime FaceTime with Hi. And that's so funny because we FaceTimed this morning too.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. Here, let me use my pop socket and make life easier.
Oh, you vlogged a little bit, didn't you? This morning. And I was on FaceTime when you were vlogging. Yeah.
See, look how handy this. Look how handy this pop socket is.
I can even see your nose. Your mouth.
Focus on me.
Focus on me.
Oh, why won't you focus? Come on, focus on me. Please. There we go. Alright, so I just wanted to say good night, guys, and hopefully I will see you tomorrow morning. Yeah, today was a pretty swanky day. Yeah, I love you guys so much. And question of the day, do you guys like the new Instagram update? Like, whoa, every time I look at it, I'm like, what the heck is that? Like, I'm like, is that really Instagram?
I don't like it.
I don't mind it. I have to get used to it. Let me turn my brightness down. It's not gonna focus because it's being rude. That's not nice.
Amanda.
So do you guys like it? That's the question of the day. Yeah, let me know down below if you guys like the new Instagram update or not, or if you guys have Instagram, or yeah. Love you guys so much. Bye.